morning. Now I am at my rice field. Today we are going to harvest our rice. So let's adventure with Bo. How I come to my rice field and how we do the harvest of our rice. Let's go! And the good time I come and the train is just arrive here. So this like a small cross the road, so we have the staff come to open and close the gate. Okay, now traffic can go. Okay, go now. And the middle of the road you can see this. I want to show you like a hole. They dig the hole and have a water come out. We used to take this water to be a drinking water or using water, but now the village have water system running, so this one are permanent closing, but it's still when the summer no have water for drinking, some people still come to take the water from here to using. So I will go this way to my rice field and can see the little cute cattle on the road. Baa, 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 baa. Okay, I need to keep moving. The rice is turned to be yellow color, so that is a good time for harvest. And you can see some rice fall down because the wind so strong. The rice tree is tall, so and the fruit is heavy, so makes the rice go down. And under here is a much water, so makes the rice go down. This more difficult for machine to harvest the rice. If they stand like over there that my finger pointing, it's good to do the harvest. So only my rice field still not harvest because our land have problem. Our land is lower, so the water is not can get drain out, and the machines don't want to harvest when the rice field still have the water. We hire the people that have the big machine. It costs 550 baht per rai. We call the area of land in Thailand rai. RAI rai, not acre. And I'm waiting the big machine now. กำลังหาที่ลงแล้วนะคะแล้วก็ลงได้แล้ว My neighbor he dry the rice นี่ก็นี่สเราขม้าวบ่นี่ฮะอ๋อเจียตารถจิจรถออยเพราะนี้ไงจังเธอสเราขม้าวแต่นิ่งคลายจีมันจรถออยเนี่ยจังเธอสเราขม้าวแต่คลายจีมันจรถออย the black rice but not lucky last night have a rain so it's still wet นี่จรถเป็นไซแมงบ่แต่เป็นปลาพลีเนาะ they need to dry maybe 2 days more after harvesting many birds many birds enjoy with my video how Bo adventure to see she doing with her rice field. If you like, please give a thumb up and don't forget to help my YouTube growing up by subscriber, not cost you any money, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you don't miss the new video of me. See you next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye. Much love.